Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Toyota Yaris side light bulb. First, always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch for safety. Next, open the hood and secure it properly. You'll then need to locate the side light assembly, which is typically found behind the main headlight unit. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Now let's access the bulb. You'll usually find a protective cover or cap over the back of the light assembly. Gently remove this. Then, locate the bulb holder or socket. Give it a slight twist, typically counterclockwise, to unlock it. Once unlocked, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Be gentle to avoid damaging any wires or connections. With the old bulb removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new side light bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. Make sure it's seated correctly. Then, reinsert the bulb holder into the light assembly and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Finally, reattach the protective cover or cap, ensuring it's snug to protect against moisture and dirt. Before you finish, turn on your vehicle's side lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Check both the front and rear lights to ensure everything is functioning as it should. Once you've confirmed the light is working, carefully close the hood, making sure it latches securely. Don't forget to properly dispose of your old light bulb. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.